Hi, this is Hussain Tabi and you are watching HT Design YouTube channel. In today's small tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Vray camera with Vray Sun and control exposure. So let's go ahead and create Vray Sun here. So I'll go in light, Vray and Vray Sun, and we'll create Vray Sun here. Alright. When this option pop up, say yes. What this will do is, I'm already having one map, so I'll replace. What this will do, this will actually in your render option environment, it will apply Vray sky map. Okay, so when you render, you will see sky. Now the sun is created. Go to the front view, take it a bit up, like here, and to see the result in the top view, I'm using the shortcut T for top, P for perspective, F for front, L for left, and if you want more options you can press V. When you press V you have all the left top button here. Okay, so I want to go to the top view and I'll select this and I'll take a bit here so I can have this shadow effect. Okay, and then I'll go to the camera, physical camera, create a camera here, go to the front view, take the camera bit up, the eye view level, press C for the camera view and adjust your camera, and this is it. Now let's have a look in the render and then we'll do some adjustment. Now here you will see that we have a nice effect, but here you can see the burning effect. The sun is here, right? And you can see that Vray sky map here, and we have a light here. Now here in 3ds Max, Vray, right, in Vray, when you use Vray Sun, it will behave like a real sun, real environment. So when you take it down, let me stop this. Okay, here, top view, sorry, front view. When you take it down, it will like sun is rising, and when you take here down, it will look like sunset is there. Okay, so here I'll choose this and we'll take a little down, and then let's see what we have got. So here this is a little nice effect, no burning, but it is a little dark now. So what I want is, I want to increase intensity, correct, to make the scene a little more bright. But my advice is, you should never use sun intensity to increase the brightness in the scene. So guys, never ever use sun intensity here. Okay, never touch this here, never touch, keep it as it is. But still you want to increase the intensity, so there are two ways. You can use any ways in your scene. Alright, the first preference I'll give it to Vray camera. Okay, go to the physical camera, select the physical camera and go to the modifier. Okay, you can see here my settings. Okay, this one should be always 200 when you render exteriors, and your aperture should be f8, shutter 1/200, and here your exposure gain ISO should be always 100. When in your camera you do these three settings, only then you will be able to see this render. Okay, because if you change anything here, the render effect will be different. Let me show you. Now this image, the sun is good, but still it's not too not bright, it's a little dark. So if you want to increase the exposure in your scene, you should play with exposure settings, okay, or your shutter speed. So let me do with this effect. If I go to this shutter and if I decrease this number, the brightness in the scene will increase, and if I increase this number, then brightness will be decreased and the image will be more darker. So if I decrease this to 150, the brightness will be more. and if I increase this to 250, it will be little darker. Alright, so what I want, the default is 200. I want now 150. So what will happen? The scene will be brighter. So without touching the sun intensity, I'm making the scene brighter with the camera shutter speed settings. And now I think this is nice, a bit more brightness I want. So let's make it 120. Oops, this is too much. It's burning here. 150 was fine, I guess. Yeah, this is fine. Okay. Now, still if you want to increase or decrease, you can use this, or you can go here. Press this button here, show corrections control, and you have exposure here. Click on this and you can change your exposure settings. Okay, so whatever you like you can keep, and then on this, and your effect is there. Okay, I'm using this video setting for this one. Here progressive, this, okay, and render time I will make 0 here. GI, let's make it a radiance map. High, other things are okay. Light Kesha I will make 1500. Other things are okay. And I'm using 20 GB of my memory limit. Okay, now let's do the render and I'll get back to you. So here you can see the render. Okay, it's not so bright and not so dark. Now you see here we have a little bluish tone here. How you will control this? So what I'll do is I'll go to the Vray physical camera settings, and here you will have white balance. Okay, and you can choose your custom white balance. You go here and choose this color. So when you render again, you will see this blue color is gone, but this is too much. You can see it's becoming orangish, so I'll make it less. No, bit more. I think this much is fine. Let's do the render and see. Okay, you can see here the progress. Okay, the render is very fast. The render will be always fast when you choose progressive. When you choose bucket, the render will be little slow. So now I'm happy with this effect, and you can see how we control exposure with Vray physical camera. Let's do some fun here. I'll create a water material. Here the black diffuse, the reflection I want full without any fresnel. A bit of a glossiness. Okay, and go to the bump now, and in bump I'll choose smoke material. Okay, and this smoke should be not more than 4. Fine. And this bump would be 50 almost. And here in reflection 0.9, okay, a little bit less. And let's apply this on this one and try again. And we'll have water here. It will take little more time because we have reflections. Okay, I want little more size of the smoke, I guess. So go to the bump here and make it around 10, and let's do the small render and see how it looks. Yeah, this one is much more better, and you will see here the final result now. I'll get back to you in a moment once this is finished. So here the render is finished, and you can see the result is nice, not so burn, and good lighting here. So this is how you can create VRaySun and control the exposure with Vray physical camera. I hope you learned something. If you want to learn more, and if you want to know whenever I'll upload a new tutorial, then subscribe to my channel, HT Design, and don't forget to like and subscribe for my channel for upcoming tutorials. Thank you.